Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Yasmine. I create videos on the internet, fashion, beauty, lifestyle. Today's video is a thrift haul video. I've been meaning to do this video ever since I gave my styling tips video. Did mention that I go thrifting a lot, especially when I want to look stylish but on a budget. I'll link that video down below. I went to Gikomba, well, 2 different times actually, and I got a bunch of things. One was before I made that video and then one was after, but yeah, I got a bunch of things and I'm just gonna share with you, from skirts to dresses to jeans to belts to everything to tops. So yeah, if you guys would like to see this haul, then keep on watching. So the first item I'm going to talk about that I got were belts. I am such a belt fan. I feel like it just transforms every outfit, especially if they're like buggy, bulky outfits. This just cinches in your waist and brings back like your body shape and nice. I don't know, I feel like belts are like such a great accessory. So I did get 4. I can't find the last one. I can't find one of them, which is like a navy blue and it has the eyelets, like the holes in them, and then the other 3 are just these colored. They all have the same style. These buckle, like tie around buckle belts, are my favorite style. I don't know, it just looks more stylish, more edgy. I don't know. Yeah, so I did get 3 belts. I got a yellow one. This one kind of reminded me like the famous off-white belts, and to be honest, paying $600, that's like about 60k for a belt. Honestly for a belt. I did get the yellow one. I got an orange, a really lovely orange. It's like a very burnt orangey shade, and then I got like an off-white creamish one. So I did get these 3 belts. Each went for like 50 shillings, so steal. Next item I got were 2 tops. The first one is this red one that I'm wearing. It is so nice. It's like faux wrap around top base. It's not wrap around, like the top is already set, but it has like the wrap around style, and it has a strap so you can kind of look like it's a wrap around, but it isn't. And it has like these lovely sleeves. I don't know, I really like this red color. This would look so nice with like a skirt. I don't know. Yeah, so I did get this top. This was for about 50 shillings. So yeah, the next item that I got was another top. Now this one was mainly for school. I like school, these long chiffon tops. I own like a black one and a gray one, then saw a pink one and I decided to get it. Just like a button down, a pink chiffon button down with like these pockets on the sides, and it's long, goes like quite below my butt, and I like it. I really like it. It's very light and very breathable. So the next items I got were dresses. My first trip there, I got 3 dresses. I got a pink one, a green one, and a checkered one. I'm sure you guys have seen it like on my Instagram of me styling them and whatnot. Dresses all went for 300, and let me tell you, this is probably one of my favorite items ever, because very easy to style, very comfortable, and very stylish. I don't know, for me the stylish. So the first one I got was this army olive. It's not olive, it's like army green. 2 of them are like sleeveless, by the way. It's like sleeveless and they go all the way down. This one has slits on both sides, which I don't mind, but if you mind, you could like tailor them up. It's like, it's easier that way. But if you mind like the slits, you could have your tailor fix them up, stitch those slits up. But I don't mind. I wear like either jeans underneath or like leggings underneath, even like a black pencil skirt underneath, to be honest. And these look so stunning with like a belt on and everything. This is the first dress. Now the second one is like a pink dress, just like the shirt that I showed you, and it's similar style to the green one, only that it doesn't have the slits on the side. It has a slit at the back. This is what it looks like. It's as well sleeveless. This one is a bit larger than the green one, which I don't mind, because like I said, I just put a belt on it and boom boom pow. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. All of them are like long. They fall just at my ankle. Yeah. Then the third dress, probably my favorite one out of all the 3, is this checkered one. I don't know, it just reminds me of like schoolgirl vibes. It's such a schoolgirl dress. It's so stunning. It has like an A-line-ish cut. These others are like cut straight. This one has like an A-line skirt, which I absolutely love. And if you guys didn't know, like this checkered plaid print is in trend this season. I don't even think it's gonna go anywhere for a while, but yeah, this is what it looks like. It's quite long as well. It has like the, I don't know what sleeves you call these, but they're not like sleeveless. They've got a bit of sleeve, and then it has like these cute 2 buttons at the front. I got this dress. This is gorgeous dresses, and they each cost 300 shillings. Now the next things I got were skirts, and I tell you, I feel like I hit the jackpot with these skirts. Finding these skirts, let me tell you something about Gikomba. I feel like it's not like toy wear. The sellers have already like curated what they're selling, so you kind of know what they have. Like these ones has jeans, this one has tops, like, you know where to find them. It's not that big, you know what I mean? Gikomba is huge, okay? You get lost a million times. They all have like a bunch of stuff, and the clothes are not like well arranged where you can see everything. You have to go digging and looking for things, which for me was like quite an experience. But yeah, I got 3 skirts. 2 are like pink skirts, and 1 is, I feel like you can tell there's a trend here already. Like, I like pink, especially like the blushy like pinks. I love them. So I got 3 skirts. 2 are like tulle materials, and then 1 is like a pleated material, which I honestly can't wait to style that one because I think it's so far my favorite. So the first skirt, which is like the pleated skirt, is this gorgeous pink. The fabric is like satiny, baby, not silky. It's like satin fabric, or like a blend, satin cotton maybe, I don't know. But yeah, it's like this pleated skirt. It's so pretty. Oh, I can't wait to wear this. The thing with this skirt is it has a slit. It did come with like a slit on the side, so I have to go have that tailored, fixed basically, because I don't want my legs showing out and everything. But yeah, I did get this skirt. This one was $250. Now the next skirt is, you guys have probably seen me on Instagram, and so many people asked me, and I got it for Gikomba. It is my grey tulle one. This one has like a pleated feature, like it is pleated, but then it's made of tulle, you know what I mean? This is what it looks like. It has like a waistband. Something you need to know when you're shopping in like Gikomba is knowing what your size is, so that when you see something you know it just fits, because you don't have time to be trying on things, to be honest. Personally, I don't have time to start chucking clothes and seeing if it fits and doing this and doing that. I just see it and I'm like, yeah, this plains, I'm sorry. Yeah, so I just look at them and I say, I think that would fit, you know what I mean? So yeah, this one was $300, so as the third skirt that I'm about to show you. Now this one is a bit more dressier than these 2. I feel like these other 2 you could like casually dress them down, but this one is so glamorous. So this is what it looks like. It's like a pink tulle skirt. I can't even show you properly, but it's like layered, you know, like the ruffle layers. There we go, that's what it has. So good. I saw this skirt and I was like, yeah, I'm not leaving this skirt behind. This one went for $300 as well, and it's just this lovely blush pink. I can't wait to do with this skirt, but it's so gorgeous, it's so stunning. I'm obsessed. Those are the 3 skirts I got. Now the final items I got from Gikomba were 2 pairs of jeans. Now these jeans were a steal. I was just passing by and then I saw like the ends and I was like, let me have a look, and I saw them and I fell in love. These jeans went for like 50 shillings each, which I still can't believe. Every time I think about it, like my mind is blown. So the first pair is more of like a boyfriend fitting jeans with like the ripped knees and everything, and then at the end have like the frayed hem type of situation going on. That has been in trend when it comes to like the denim. Wait, it's inside out. Let me fix that. I'm sounding quite nasally. I'm sorry if I sound quite nasally. I currently have a cold and I'm trying so hard to get rid of it, but this cold, man, this weather, Nairobi weather, keep on playing me. This pair of jeans is this what it looks like. It's like this light-ish, it's like a medium wash, maybe. Yes. Oh my god, it's like a medium wash with like the boyfriend fit, and then it has rips on the knees. And then what I really liked about is the bottoms. I've been obsessed with this style of jeans lately. I don't know, they look really good. So I found these and I really like them. 50 shillings, guys. 50 bob. The next pair is like more of like a wide-legged culotte type of situation jeans, which I'm so obsessed. I've been looking for like a pair of wide-legged jeans that are not tight like at the top and then flare out, but just generally baggy and like wide at the bottom, if that makes sense. And I found the perfect pair. Guys, look at these. So this is what they look like. These ones are like a bit of a lighter wash, which this type of wash, even this I don't mind, but this is like my favorite type of jeans, like the wash. I love these light wash jeans. And then the bottom are like they're quite big actually, like quite wide-legged. And then they have the frayed hem, which makes it 10 times better. This is what they look like. So stunning. And they have like pockets at the back, and then they're just wide-legged. I don't know, these ones would look so good. I can't wait to style all these items. Those are all the items I got from this Gikomba haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know where else you guys would want me to try shopping from, and see if they have like modest clothes. Especially for us modest girls, it's so hard. We have to give it that extra effort to find modest clothes, you know what I mean? But yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, please do. and join my little family. We're so close to 2K, by the way. What? Thank you guys so much. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.